What's going on, Schmitty Garage? The push rod 4.0 V6 rebuild update. I got the valve covers final coat on. Instead of Mopar green, going with crazy purple because that's the only can of high temp paint I had. Got the new. All right, got everything redone here. The deck cleaned, the heads cleaned. I just rebuilt these rocker arms. Got new push rods installed, new lifters. The whole purpose of this was to get rid of a lifter tick. So it should run really, really nice now. And it's got brand new fresh head gasket. Let's see here. Let me try to show you. Wait a minute. Too far. There we go. Oh no. Anyway, I lost the bolt. So let's see here. The old ones, you can't, there was no, what do you call that? Backlash or preload, or I don't know what you call that. But yeah, the other ones were rusted, stuck solid. 30-year-old truck. But new lifters, new push rods, new rocker arms, everything torqued down. Then tomorrow, I think I'm calling it for the night. But a lot of hard work today. Tomorrow is the lower intake, and then after that is on, then the rest is just gonna fly. The rest is just, you know, the wires and hoses and accessories and all that junk over there. Piece of cake. This was the difficult, time-consuming, cleaning, prepping. Yeah. Alright. Pretty much all I got. Would recommend Felpro. None of that junk online. The Evergreen. Wish I'd never bought that. Junk. Well, this is okay, but their head gaskets. Junk. All right, peace.